Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you how to perform bolt-on analysis. Bolt-on analysis is a tooth analysis developed by Wayne A. Boulton to evaluate discrepancy in size of maxillary and mandibular teeth. Tooth size discrepancy is a disproportion amongst the size of teeth. To get ideal occlusion, maxillary and mandibular teeth should be in proportion to each other. If the maxillary teeth are bigger, mandibular teeth should also be bigger. If maxillary teeth are smaller, mandibular teeth should also be smaller for optimum inter-arch relationship. Bolt-on analysis will help to evaluate if upper teeth are larger or lower teeth are larger as compared to the other arch. Boulton described two ratios for ideal occlusion. First is overall ratio, second is anterior ratio. Let's start with the overall ratio of this cast. For that, we will first measure the mesodistal width of 12 teeth from first molar to first molar with the help of a divider. For this cast, we have already taken mesodistal widths of teeth from second premolar to second premolar in space analysis. As you can see here, this time we will only take mesodistal width of molars and write it here and here. Our maxillary right molar is 10.5 millimeters. Maxillary left molar is 11 millimeter. For this cast, sum of widths of maxillary 12 teeth is 97.5 millimeter. We have to write it here. In the same way, we will take mesodistal width of 12 teeth in mandibular arch. I have taken mesodistal width of mandibular 12 teeth from first molar to first molar, and sum is 89.5 millimeters. We have to write it here. Then we will divide sum of the width of mandibular 12 teeth by sum of width of maxillary 12 teeth, multiply it with 100 to get bolt-on overall ratio in percentage. Normal value is 91.3%. If our percentage is more than 91.3%, that means mandibular tooth material is in excess. We will attempt this section and we will leave this section. If our percentage is less than 91.3%, that will mean maxillary tooth material is in excess, and we will only attempt this section and leave this section. For this cast, our percentage is 91.7%, which is more than 91.3%, and it means mandibular tooth material is in excess. Next, we will find out the desired sum of the widths of mandibular 12 teeth. This formula. Actual sum of widths of maxillary 12 teeth, for this cast it is 97.5 millimeter. Multiply it with 91.3 and divide it by 100. Answer is 89 millimeter. Subtract this desired sum from the actual sum of width of mandibular teeth to get the amount of overall excessive mandibular tooth material. So 89.5 minus 89 is equal to 0.5 millimeter. Our overall bolt-on discrepancy is 0.5, which is insignificant. In the same way, anterior bolt-on ratio is calculated. Only this time we will measure mesodistal width of anterior 6 teeth from canine to canine. Apply this formula. If our percentage is more than 77.2%, which is the normal value, then that will mean mandibular tooth material is in excess and we will only attempt this part and leave this section. If our percentage is less than 77.2%, we will only attempt this part and leave this part. Rest of the steps are the same.